Cool.
Oh, do you see the logo through it?
The logo's hard to see.
Kinda.
Can't really see.
At least you know it's there.
It's been a while since we did anything beat related. I figured since we have 3 of them and this one's down for a little bit, why don't we do a quick video on how to make some beat taillights. Taking out the beat taillight should be pretty straightforward. There's just a cover right here. So all I need to do is unscrew this cover and it'll pop out. And there should be, let's see, 1, 2. Looks like there's only 3 studs I need to take out. So let's go ahead and take those out. Take the plugs off. That. You got 1 light out. It looks like this is the bake light, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this shit in the oven. Oven to 170, and while this one's heating up, I'll take it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Please behave. This is gonna be most of the video. Ah! Oh, thank fuck. Okay. Oh, come on. Come on. Yay! Alright. Bake on medium high for 170 degrees. Okay. Just like that, we're done. So once we have the light open, we're gonna go ahead and put aluminum tape on the inside. I like to just do this because most of the inside of the lights are usually old and the paint's usually not silver or great anymore. So this is just to improve the brightness. You don't need to wear gloves for this. This is a fucking, oh my god, this sucks. Why did I wear gloves for this? Yeah, just very loosely aluminum tape this. Remember, this is kind of one of those like quick DIYs. It's like an arts and crafts thing, so we're not trying to be super professional with this. Obviously, for all the professional builders out there, each and one of them have their own tips and tricks to do things clean. The reverse bulbs are already the fucking brightest bulbs that you have in LED form. You don't really need to do reverse. I'm doing it anyways just because I'm a man of habit. But yeah, for the people watching, you don't need to do reverse. You really don't. You're doing a terrible job. So that's okay, because if I say it on camera, then you can't blame me. All right, so everything's good. Now we're gonna go put our panel in. Now, this is the part where I'm gonna speed run it, because for the purpose of this video, we just don't want this to be ridiculously long. So yeah, if you wanna see how to do diffusion lights, we'll leave a description in the link in the description. How to do it. I'm not gonna seal this. This is for my personal car. It's like 4 hours extra work to make the light look a little nicer. It's great if you want that kind of OCD. I 100% support it. This is a fuck around car for me. This is fun. I don't care that much. Putting shoe glue on. I'm not putting an excessive amount so it doesn't leak over, so I don't see it. And I'm just gonna put the panels in. Yeah, this is a custom panel. This is our logo. Look at that.
There we go. Number 1.
On second thought, use clear shoe glue, don't use black. I actually don't know what I'm doing. Somehow I ran a business. And then rinse and repeat. For the these panels, I'm gonna use a little bit of butyl tape to hold everything in place. Otherwise, it's just gonna flop around while I try to secure it. So the panel's gonna sit like that. So the reason why I'm doing this is for 2 reasons. Reason number 1, I'm lazy. And I frankly just kind of don't care how this looks from the outside. Everyone can flame me all they want. I'm well aware that what I'm doing is shitty. This is YouTube. Don't care. Post shitty comments. So I've sugared everything in. Don't mind the job, it's shitty. That's on purpose. This is just for demonstration purposes. See how it looks. When completed, it will look like this. Fantastic. So then, when we put the lens on it,
Yeah.
cool.
Oh, do you see the logo through it?
The logo's hard to see.
Kinda.
Can't really see.
At least
the
you know
logo.
it's there.
At least I know it's there. So we're gonna go ahead and put the lenses on. Make sure the glue is soft. It's soft, nice. And take the lens on. And like my other videos, if you want to like make sure it seals completely well, you can add butyl tape. In my case, I don't feel like you need to, but you always can. And you can use clamps if you want. You shouldn't have to. If you feel like you need to use clamps, then the panel might be hitting the reflector or some other clearance issue, and you should probably look into it. Just like that. It's done. Let's put this back on the car and see what it looks like.
Good job, Justin.
Pretty cool. That's one. Oh no, this is the annoying one.
Hopefully it's easy to put back on, huh?
There you go. And that's not even with the brakes on. That's just VRO.
I'm gonna close this bright ass Heaven's Gate real quick.
Light does leak out the edges, and that's something that's easily fixed. But for the purpose of this video, I didn't want to spend an additional 2-3 hours to seal it. There's plenty of videos on that we've already uploaded on how to seal it. I usually use butyl tape. But you can see it looks pretty good even without it sealed. So let me hit the brakes real quick.
It does show up. Sick. Yeah.
Do you want those custom mods? We do it for anything you try. You want your ride to turn heads? This is where it comes alive. If you can imagine it, we can create it. Nothing is impossible with illumaesthetic.